You can avoid having crinkly, smashed golf gloves with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I know you've gone out to the golf course, you pulled out your golf glove out of your golf bag, and it's all smashed up. The moisture, the sweat that's gotten into it the last round has turned it into a dry, crinkly mess. Now, you don't have to let that happen to you. You can actually let your golf glove hang and dry out, retain its form, go back to its nice, supple leather texture with this little bad boy. I have never used this before, but on one of my golf bags, I actually had a little Velcro area where I could just stick my golf glove. And it has absolutely changed my life because the gloves are dried out, they're ready to go. And so I thought on one of my bags that I don't have this, I would add this. Now, this is the Athletic Glove Grabber, and it prevents crinkly golf gloves. Now, you can actually buy this in a variety of different colors. I think I saw red and blue. I wanted black to kind of match my bag. The one thing that I probably don't love about this is that they put the printing on the front here in like hot pink. It does have a big ring up here and a hook. This is just clips onto your D-ring. This is all plastic up here, so it's nice and light. Then you do have another little ring on the bottom here. I would say this is about 6 inches long, and basically it's a piece of nylon. And then the other side is the fuzzy side of Velcro. So I think they call this the loop side, and the hard side is the hook side. And you will have the soft and the hard side on your golf glove when you open it up, and then you'll just take the hard side and stick it here. Now you can see we have a lot of real estate. You probably only need this much to stick your golf glove, but if you have multiple gloves, you can put them on there. You're not gonna run out of space. So let's put it on and try it out. So here's my bag and here's my glove. And as I said, we've got the hook side here and the fuzzy side right here. And I'm just gonna take the glove grabber here and just hook it onto the D-ring. And now I have a piece of Velcro that's hanging down, so I can just take my glove after I'm done using it. I will take the hook side, which is the inside on this one, and just press it right up against here, and boom, look, it stays right there. Now it can air out, it can be in the sun, it's not gonna get bunched up in a pocket, and the next time I'm gonna put it on, it's gonna look just like this. So pretty great little simple invention. I'm glad that I found it. If you wanna pick this up for your golf bag, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. Having crinkly smashed golf gloves